Ever noticed your dog acting weird before a storm? Or heard stories about animals fleeing before an earthquake? It's a fascinating question. Can animals really predict natural disasters? Let's find out. For centuries, people have reported strange animal behavior just before major events. Dogs might bark uncontrollably, cats might hide, or birds might suddenly go silent or fly away in huge flocks. In 2004, before the devastating Indian Ocean tsunami, witnesses reported that elephants and other wildlife moved to higher ground, seemingly knowing what was coming. So what's happening here? Is it some kind of sixth sense? The answer probably lies in their supersensitive senses, not psychic powers. Many animals have hearing and feeling abilities far beyond our own. For instance, elephants can hear very low-frequency sounds, called infrasound, which can travel for miles through the ground. Earthquakes produce these sounds as tectonic plates shift, long before the major shaking reaches the surface. So while we're completely unaware, an elephant might be hearing the rumble of an impending quake. Similarly, birds and other animals are incredibly sensitive to changes in atmospheric pressure. A sudden drop in pressure, which often signals an approaching hurricane or major storm, is something they can feel long before our weather instruments even register it as a significant threat. Some scientists even suggest that animals can detect changes in the Earth's magnetic field or chemical releases from the ground before a seismic event. So is there any hard scientific proof? Well, it's a mixed bag. Some studies have found correlations. For example, one German study tracked redwood ants and found they changed their behavior a day before an earthquake. But other studies have found no consistent pattern, making it a very tricky field to research. The biggest challenge is that it's impossible to conduct a controlled experiment on a natural disaster. We can only observe and collect data after the fact. So what's the bottom line? Most experts believe that animals aren't predicting the future. Instead, they are simply reacting to subtle environmental changes that happen right before a disaster signals that are completely invisible to us. It's more of an early detection system based on instinct, rather than a conscious prediction. So should we rely on our pets to be our personal disaster alarms? Not quite. Official early warning systems, like seismic sensors and weather satellites, are still our most reliable tools for safety. However, paying attention to unusual animal behavior can serve as an extra layer of awareness. It is a powerful reminder that the natural world is full of wonders we're still trying to understand. What do you think? Have you ever seen an animal act strangely before a natural event? Share your stories in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing insights.